Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a video that's going to be very important for your debanking journey, and that's going to be how to use your Bitcoin to buy food. Now, to me, I focus on a number of different kinds of videos in my channel, but the primary focus is to use Bitcoin for its intended utility, which is a peer-to-peer means of payment and a way of debanking. So you can do all the things that you would have been doing with normal fiat currency and via your bank and other various payment methods, but with Bitcoin. And the most important of all of these various things you're going to need is a way of using Bitcoin to buy the necessities of life. And I think this is going to be very important in the future as cash increasingly becomes rolled out and banks and governments are going to try and have more control over your wealth. So the most critical thing that you can do is use cryptocurrency, not simply as a tool of speculation, but to actually use it for what it was meant for, which is buying the basic necessities of life. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in this video. But first, if you like this video, if you like this channel, please make sure to subscribe, because I give valuable lessons on how to actually use cryptocurrency for the purpose of debanking, and also give great lessons on how to do peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading, which is also a necessary big part of that. So make sure to subscribe, and you can use my referral links in the description down below if you're interested in using peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading exchanges, which is a great way to buy cryptocurrency without KYC. So let's get into the video. So one of the primary ways that you're going to use Bitcoin to buy the necessities is you're going to be buying gift cards. Now, in the peer-to-peer market, something that's really amazing is that you can sell and buy cryptocurrency for practically any payment method you could possibly imagine. On a centralized exchange, centralized exchanges will usually only offer bank transfers as a way of buying Bitcoin. Maybe they might have a token thing like, Apple Pay in there, but it's very limited. So part of the reason why peer-to-peer cryptocurrencies exchanges came into existence is because it provides a number of different payment methods in order to buy cryptocurrency. Now, on centralized exchanges, it's the exchange themselves that's providing liquidity, so other people can buy crypto. They do it directly from the exchange, more or less. On peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges, on the other hand, you're doing it directly with another person, and the other person who's selling the cryptocurrency is free to provide any kinds of terms and conditions they want. If they want to accept cryptocurrency via cash, they're willing to do that as long as there's a buyer. If they're willing to accept gold as payment, they can do that as long as there's a buyer. If they want to accept it by bank transfer, same as centralized exchanges. If they want to accept Alipay, Apple Pay, shoes, food, or anything you could imagine, anyone can do whatever you want. You just need to put up a listing, and if someone's willing to trade with you, that's all that matters. So in the peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading world, there are a lot of sellers that specialize in different payment methods. Some will specialize in selling crypto for bank transfer, Alipay, Apple Pay, any pay, right? And the reason why they do this kind of service is they're not doing it from the bottom of their heart. They're doing it because they can make money doing it. They can sell the crypto above market rate, and that's ultimately how they can make their activities profitable. And as a result, sellers are incentivized to find as many different kinds of payment methods in order to be able to make a profit. They're going to find different ways of accepting payment in order to be able to sell cryptocurrency. And one of those payment methods that exist is gift cards. So I've talked about gift cards in the past, and the reason why gift cards is used as a payment method is because there's billions of dollars of gift cards that are floating around in the ether right now, and they're just yet to be fulfilled. And there's a number of reasons why they're yet to be fulfilled. One of them is just that you can't buy XYZ with a Toys R Us gift card, right? The utility is just limited. Someone might receive like a present, maybe it's a gift from work, for Amazon, right? But maybe they just don't need it. So frequently, a lot of people will just take to these peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges and they'll sell it. And I just can't emphasize how much liquidity there is for gift cards. There is so much gift cards floating around in the market, and as a result, you're able to actually if you're going to sell Bitcoin for a gift card, you can usually make money. So if you want a $100 Amazon gift card, maybe you only have to pay $70 in Bitcoin. So what I want to show you now is actually how this stuff works in practice, right? So I've already got Amazon open, and the main thing that we're going to do, and well, I'm going to show you, is how to buy Amazon gift cards. And the reason why I talk about Amazon gift cards is first that they are the most traded gift cards on the gift card marketplace. And you can buy practically anything you want with Amazon gift cards. Food, you can buy food with Amazon gift cards, which is the focus of this video. So as you can see here, I've got canned sardines here, which is a nutrient-rich food. You know, it's calorically dense. And you can store it, right? But you could also buy fresh foods as well. I guess this is mainly in America. Maybe some other countries you can buy fresh produce, but this is something that you can apply to almost any country, because maybe your country's Amazon isn't stocked, you know, with fresh produce, but you should at least be able to buy canned sardines, canned fish, right? And I'm also thinking in terms of like, you know, like in an emergency situation, you've got nothing but Bitcoin. What can you buy? You know, this is kind of like almost an emergency food. So how would I go about turning my Bitcoin into canned sardines? Well, I'd want to use a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace that allows for the trading of gift cards. And there's two that come to mind. One is called Noons. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Noons or No-Uns. It's a little of a strange name. So if you're interested, you can sign up using my referral link in the description down below. Once you sign up with it, click on sell crypto and then click on Amazon gift card. I might have to change that to USD just because there's a lot more of them. But as you can see here, there are a number of different offers here selling. Well, you're the one selling crypto, and there are other people that have offers buying crypto in exchange for Amazon gift cards. So these people are ready to go, and you can get some pretty decent rates here. So this person here, if you were to sell him $100 of Amazon gift card, essentially you would basically only have to pay $85. So you're already getting a 15% discount. And as I mentioned, look, like there's all these gift cards floating around in existence by people that don't want them. And there's not that many people buying, you know, gift cards with Bitcoin. And maybe this could change if this video gets popular enough. Maybe there's enough people just buying gift cards with Bitcoin that all of a sudden that rate goes down to nothing, and maybe it's a 1-to-1 ratio. But for now, you can get a nice discount on these gift cards, right? The same is on a website called CoinCola, which is another website I like to use to buy gift cards. And if you want to get a really good deal, instead of just you know, trying to buy them outright, what you can do is you can make an offer to sell Bitcoin and basically become like a Bitcoin seller. And you can make the payment method you're willing to accept as Bitcoin, and you leave your offer up all day, and then maybe 1 or 2 people might come in a day and they'll sell you Amazon gift cards. But what's good about that is you can set a rate that is more favorable to you. So it's not unreasonable to expect like a 30% discount on Amazon gift cards. So this is also a good way to save money in general when you're buying groceries. I think this is going to help out a lot of people who just want to, you know, reduce their living expenses. I think this is a very valuable tool that you can use. But back to what you can do. First, like when someone opens a trade with you, or if you open a trade with someone, like here on News, if I click sell Bitcoin, I think it'll take me to the sign up page because I'm not logged on. Okay, alright, but let's just say I want $100 of Amazon gift cards. I'm assuming that I've already funded my account with Bitcoin. When I click create an account, it's going to say create, start a trade, assuming I've already logged on. The funds that are on my account are going to go into escrow on this trade, and that means $85 of my Bitcoin will be stuck in this trade until me and the buyer have come to an agreement, right? And this will happen when he sends what I want, which is the Amazon gift card, and this is going to usually come in a code. He's going to write down the code, or copy and paste the code, or he might even send a picture of the gift card itself. When you take that code, you're going to put it onto Amazon, I'm not logged on, so I can't show you, but it's quite obvious. You should be able to just log on. There's an option to redeem a gift card, and then those funds will then be put onto your account. And once they're on your account, you then go back to the gift card exchange, and then you release the funds that have been locked in escrow, completing the trade. So the person that you were dealing with, he gets his Bitcoin, and then the gift card is already on your Amazon account. And then once it's on your account, then all you have to do is buy things. It's as simple as that. And the funds will come, when you buy things, it will come directly out of your gift card balance. And that is basically how to do it. So I want to provide one more method for you, because I think for a lot of people, maybe if this is the first time you've heard about, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges, or all this kind of stuff, it might go over your head a little bit. So I want to provide you another solution. That's go to a website called Referral. Again, you can go use my referral link in the description down below. And this is a website where you can buy practically any gift card that you want, including an Amazon gift card. And the reason why maybe you might prefer to use this website as opposed to Noons or CoinCola is maybe you feel like, maybe you don't want to deal with certain kinds of people. Maybe you might feel it's a bit risky. Maybe you just want like a clean interface, something that's just more like just easy to use. That's understandable. So if you just type in Amazon gift card, on Bitrefill, you'll see all these offers. And this is going to be useful if you're from a country where, finding gift cards on these other websites, maybe they're like, maybe you can only get Amazon US gift cards, which are the most prominent kind of Amazon gift card. But on Bitrefill, you can get Amazon gift cards for any country. You've got Germany, France, Canada, Japan, etc., etc. Unfortunately, you won't be able to get a sweet discount like you would with the other ones, but I don't think that's a huge problem. And as far as signing up to this website is concerned, you don't need any KYC whatsoever. You can sign up with a burner email, and you can pay with crypto. You don't even have to pay with like Bitcoin. If you think that the fees are going to be too much, you can pay with Litecoin, you can pay with stable coins, and it's really good. Now I want to give another example. So I'm from Australia, obviously. If I wanted to buy groceries from my local store and I didn't want to do this all online, which is fair enough, I could also use my crypto to buy a gift card for my local grocery chain that's called Coles. And I'm sure this is the case for any other country. I'm sure you could buy a Carrefour gift card if you're from the UK. You could buy Walmart gift cards if you're from America, or what other chain stores you have. But the one that I like to buy is Coles. So I like to go to this website and buy a Coles gift card with crypto. And all you're really gonna get, again, is like a code, like, it's like a number, and then maybe you'll also get a what's it called, like a barcode, right? And what's interesting is I will either take a photo of that barcode, and then, I'll explain this first, right? So in the self-service checkout, right, which is available at every Coles store and most major grocery stores, when it goes to the payment method, when I'm clicking all the buttons, you've got cash, and you've got credit card. You can also click gift card. That's usually an option. And if I click gift card, it'll say scan the barcode of your QR code. I'll then just hover my phone over with my with the QR code. Sorry, not the QR code, the barcode that I've saved from Bitrefill. The barcode will be scanned by the self-service checkout counter, and then the payment will go through. And it's as simple as that. And then you've got so this is great. You've got a very clean way of turning your crypto into food and basic things, right? And didn't require any KYC to check out as well. So this is a very important part of debanking, making sure that you can turn your crypto into real life things that you can practically use, and making sure that you don't need to provide KYC every time you actually embark on this process. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like these kinds of videos, these practical tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of them coming up. It's kind of videos that I hope do a lot better than the other ones about how Bitcoin's going to moon 100x. This is the kind of thing that I think everyone needs to see, not the other stuff I make. I think this is actually really important. And if you want to sign up with Bitrefill or Noons or CoinCola, make sure to use my referral link in the description down below. It does a long way to help this channel, and you'll be able to get a good discount on the fees you'd pay on these platforms. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.